In the previous lecture, we have added this to windows and doors to this drawing. You can see in the first lecture we made this drawing. Then we in the second lecture we have added the doors and windows. And in this today's lecture we will add the uh, roof of the building. You can see I will add the roof like this. You are seeing in this picture how we have added the roof, how the building will look like after adding the roof. Okay, let us start the lecture. Before starting the lecture, I want to tell you that is on this channel, Electrical Design Engineering, you can learn various electrical design software like Etap, Dig Silent Power Factory, PV Dialux Evo, and Autodesk. In addition to these softwares, you can learn various electrical design technical things on this channel. If you want to connect with me, you can join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group. The link of the group is given in the description. Now coming to this lecture, this is our drawing and we have to add roof. Here is the roof option. We can first of all go to the drawing area, 1 minute, building, and go this. This is the tab floor plan. Okay, and now you have to add the roof. Then go to the roof and then click select, and here you can see there are various types of roofs available. One, this is the butterfly roof, this is double pitch, this is flat roof, and this is gabriel, and this is half hip roof and hip roof, mansard roof, pyramid, and single pitch roof. Okay, we will add to this drawing, we will add this double pitch roof. Select the double pitch roof. Okay, click the automatically place roof. There are two types of ways to place the roof. One is draw roof, another is automatically place roof. First of all, we will select the roof. Here we have selected the double pitch. Okay, then place automatically. Now our roof is placed automatically. Now we will see in the drawing, this is our roof. See, it is not well, it is, we have to adjust it. Now we can click here and then right click to move. We will move 1 minute. We will move it like this and this. Okay, now it has created this. One thing is that this space is open. We have to fill this space. We will go to this drawing. 1 minute. We will see the height of this pitch. We will measure this height. Okay, then we will do what we have to do. We can click here and then click here and measure. It is 2.55. So we have to increase the height of the building to 2.55. So we can go escape building and we can measure the go construction. This is the building and we can increase the height to 2.59 and that becomes 5.99. Okay, we will see what will happen. Okay, now we'll move this roof to one thing. We can move like this. 1 minute, move. We will move it like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay, now we will see. Now it is closed. Okay, inside you can see roof. Okay, now we have to place the texture for that. If you want to this should be outside, you can select the roof and then increase the height roof structure. You can increase the width by 11. Let us see. Okay, now you can see there is a beam outside this on both sides. Okay, Now we will select this and go to the material. In the material, first we will select the building. Then here I can select the here, click here and go to catalogs. Then there is a Dialux Evo material catalog, and double click here. You can go to outdoors. This is the outdoor. Then roof. Here are different types of roofs. Suppose we will select this one or this one and apply. Then close. Here one is pick material, another is apply material. It is better to take apply material and apply. 1 minute I will see or escape. Now see how it is one side applied, on another side we have to apply again and select again same material. I forgot from one time to apply on side, select apply, close, then apply material. Okay, now you can see it is on both sides. You can see both sides. Okay, now if you want to change the color of this portion, you can then select go catalog material. You can select this one and apply, then close. You can adjust here the paint or things like you want. Suppose I want more white or this like this. Select apply material. You can apply here. You can apply again here. You can yes. You can apply here again. Okay, and apply material here. Okay. Now this has been created, like you can see. This has been created in story. You can see it is like this one, and in the building it is like this. Okay, this is in the next lecture we will place a chimney here and skylights here, and we will show all we will also show you one more type of roof, how you can make more complicated roof. This is a simple roof, and now in the next lecture we will show you how you can make a complicated roof.